So I'm going to make 0.300 meters my equilibrium point. And I'm going to count up from there and down from there. So I need to see how many lines do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 above. Okay, that's 6 lines. I'm going to write it in pencil real light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines below. So next what I need to do is to figure out how much does each of these lines need to represent. So I need to go 0.055 meters above, but only 0.51 meters below. So I'm going to take that larger number, 0.055, which is my high point, 0.355, minus my equilibrium point, which is 0.300, okay? And I'm going to divide that by the number of lines that I have available. Now that gives me some scientific number, 9.2 times 10 to the negative 3. I don't like that. I'm going to just round that to a 0.01. So I can say 0.31, 0.32, 0.33, 0.34, 0.35, 0.360. So my high point is going to end up just below this top line. And I'm going to do the same thing going down. 0.27, 26, 25, 0.24. So again, my low point is going to end up just above that lowest line. Get rid of those so it makes my graph pretty. And now my graph is scaled. And then what I have to do is actually plot my real data points off of the data chart.